Hey everybody, it's Janelle from the Art Necklaces channel. I am here at my craft booth. I'm doing a show here in Longwood, Florida, and I'm getting all set up and I got my price tags out and everything, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So come on in. So over here on this table I have all of my message jewelry, and these are little wraparound bracelets that have a little message on them, and you just wrap them around your wrist, and they're the crocheted trellis ladder yarn. I also have some other message bracelets, like the leather ones, and some bangle ones. These just unattach here, and then you slip it on your hand and then reattach it there. I also have these message necklaces over here. So I have I think I counted like 70 or so messages, and I have everything from like inspirational, Christian, family, friends and pets, fantasy, hobbies, careers and sports, and love. So a lot of good gift ideas here. So this is like my front table, and this is what everybody is drawn to, all the message jewelry. And then coming over here, I have some charm jewelry. So I have all my charm earrings set up. And since Christmas is right around the corner, I did a bunch of charm Christmas earrings up here, and the rest is just like, you know, like beachy stuff. And then I have some animals here, and then I have just some other little common charms like hearts and tree of life and different things like that. And then down here, these are two different type of bracelets that people can customize. So here you can put 5 charms on it, and here you can put 4 charms, and then you can pick all your charms from any of these little bins here, and also our little crystals too. And then these are just some stainless steel double strand anklets, and I just have like girl size and women's size. And I thought about making gold too, I just didn't have enough time, so right now I just have the stainless steel color. And these are my animal advice charm necklaces, and if you saw my last video I was talking about these. This is one of my new products, and I thought these are just super cute. Like the sea turtle one, you can see it has just all these little things that a sea turtle would say if he was giving you advice. So I just thought they were so cute, and I just have about 24 different animals here that you can choose from. I think they make a good little stocking stuffer. And then I even put a little sign here: does your favorite animal give good advice? So that way it kind of catches people's eye, and they look down and like, oh wow, you know, and they can read them and everything. And then over here, this is a product I've had for a long time, and it's always popular. These are little crocheted bracelets or anklets. This is actually an anklet here, and I put a little charm on it. And this one, it just slips on over your foot. There's no little clasp or anything. And I make different sizes, so that way, like small is like for a girl, and then medium is like an average size woman, and I have a large too. So these are all my little anklets. And all these, you can customize a charm just like I have over here. With these charms, I can put any of those charms on there for them. And I also have a little setup here where I have like a hand for the display and a foot. And actually, it's a funny story. Last show we were at Clearwater Beach, and someone dropped the foot and 3 of the toes broke off. So I had to do emergency surgery, and I glued them back on. And I have it facing this way because if you face it this way, you can see where it was broken, unfortunately. And I really didn't have time to order another foot. So I just glued it back on, and we're good to go. No one will ever know that the toes were broken. So our next item is our sunglasses holder necklace. And this one, you just put it over your head, and then you can put your sunglasses through here. You just, I'll show you how it works. Just put it on your head like this. I should be wearing them because I got my sunglasses on my head. So go like this, and move my hair out of the way. And then you can take your sunglasses and fold them right through here, and then just wear them around your neck like that. And then the other one is also a sunglass holder. Get this off me. This one here, and this is like your standard, you know, the ones that have these little rubbery clips, and you can just clip it on like with this one. can see how it's clipped on to your sunglass arms. And over here, I also have some of my new products you may have already seen. These are my face mask lanyards. These are the stainless steel ones. And then these are the crocheted ones. So very excited to be selling those. And then back here I have some little Disney princess characters, and they're on keychains. And on here I put a little charm that has to do with what the character is and just a little colored crystal just to make it more fun and colorful. And I also do crocheted scrunchies and crocheted hair ties and just regular keychain lanyards. I had some requests of people when they saw my sunglass holders. They were like, well, do you do lanyards? And I'm like, well, I can. It'd be pretty easy to do it if I can do those. So there they are. So let's go over here to this table. And right here we have some lockets, and these have tiny little seashells in them. So a little starfish, a little sand dollar back there, and just tiny little seashells. So, and these are usually a big hit since we are in Florida and people love seashells. And I also have these little rings. These also have tiny little seashells in them. And I just put a little bit of glitter behind it and then put the seashells in and some resin over it. So these here are my Aromatherapy Blockets, and these have little pads. You can see these little, they're like kind of like a thick felt pad that you can put little essential oils or perfumes and stuff on there. Or you don't have to put anything at all if you don't like that kind of stuff. You can just change out the color on them because they come with these 10 color pads, and then also it comes with the chain here. And you can choose from any of these styles. And then these are little lava bracelets that are stretchy, and they have little rainbow beads on them. These are all little gemstones with the lava beads. And lava beads you can also put essential oils on too. And here we have another crochet necklace that I put this little pendant on. It's like a, I forget what you call these. I think they're like Amazonite or something, some weird name. Somebody help me. But I think they're just so pretty. It's like a little, kind of like, looks like a nautilus shell. And then I do the crochet chain along with it. I think it just kind of makes a nice little accent. These are something we've been making for a long time. We call this the tribal necklace. And I make the earrings on this one, but we also make different colors in these. And the green seems to sell, it's probably the most popular, but they're pretty fun to make. So I might do a tutorial on that eventually. Oh no, we forgot our sandbags. Usually we put sandbags back here, underneath here. And we forgot to bring them, but we are going back home before we do our show tomorrow, so I'll have to make sure we bring them because the wind is not our friend at craft shows. And then we have our abalone collection and mother of pearl, so I have some necklaces here, just some little pendant necklaces, and also up here. And then I also do like little button earrings like these. And then some dangle ones, and then these are just like little seashell earrings, so I glue little seashells on posts. And I also do little tiny sand dollars like the ones I have in those lockets over there, but I didn't have time to make those, so we're just going with the seashell ones this time. So let's move on to here, and these are our Bolo Bracelets. These are like a nice little stainless steel chain, and it's adjustable down here. So you just pull it out like this. There goes our stand again. And then you can slip it on your hand. And then just pull that back, and then you can wear your bracelet as tight or as loose as you want. So sorry about the train noise. There's like a train tracks that go down here, and there's a train that comes by. It seems like every 10-15 minutes. So pretty interesting, but just a little background noise for you guys. So from here we also have these are also the same kind of bracelet, stainless steel, and these are a little druzy heart. So these are nice and sparkly. And then you guys have probably seen this necklace before if you've been on my channel. This is an aluminum wire necklace, and I just bend these little aluminum wire links and then connect them together. And I forgot to put the price on that, so I need to remember to do that before the show. And then down here, these are some aluminum wire rings. I did like this style with there's like 6 little beads on there. And this one I just did 1 bead, and then I did the same little pattern there, but just put the 1 bead on there. And they're all adjustable, you can just bend them, really easy to bend. And then these over here, I did like different color wires, and I did like kind of like a little abstract rose type of thing. And I have them all sized from like size 4 to size 9. And then up here, we have our bracelets that I do that are same style as the rings, and these are also bendable. Just bend them out like this, put them on your wrist, and then you can bend it back to as tight as you want it. And I had these last year and they were a good seller. And these are like little memory wire bracelets. This is the pearl one, but I have birthstones. So like this one is the January birthstone, and memory wire, you just like wrap it around your wrist like that. If you saw my last video, I had these are my layered necklaces with the stainless steel chains. And this is the stand I was talking about. I'm just gonna put this. And my boyfriend actually made these for me. They're actually very convenient. I have like the earring stand over there is also it's just a piece of wood, and then he just connects it together here with some screws and stuff. And then I just get these little dowel rods here and drill a little hole in the side and stick them through. And they work great for earrings or even stuff like this. I could probably get a little more decorative than just putting just a regular office clip on there, but for right now that just works. And then here we have our little, they call these Huggy hoop earrings because it's like a little hoop like that. And then I put a little charm on them. And I have like the gold and the stainless steel color. And these are another set of layered necklaces, and these are gemstones. So we have everything from like amethyst, and this is like it's not actually turquoise, it's like sorry, I forget the name of it. And this is tiger eye and labradorite, different things. So they can get a whole set, and it's like actually 3 separate necklaces that you can wear them separate or together. And then I just have just the little bullet pendants up here if they want just that. And I just have one on a stand right here. And I also even show off my little layered necklace clasp here. So with these, you can keep your necklace separated and keeps it from tangling and stuff. And then you can keep it on here and you just pull this apart, and then you can put it on and then put it back together like that. That way you don't have to take off like 3 necklaces and put them back on. There's my booth. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.